He has raised queens, built platforms, and brought the world closer to the heart of the Philippines. Please welcome the chairman of ALP Pageant Circle and the national director of Miss Grand Philippines, Mr. Arnold Vegafria.
To all friends from the pageant and print media, TV networks, all our dear sponsors, our guests, good evening. Before we begin, I would like to thank everyone who generously supported our charitable advocacies, not just by joining us here tonight as we celebrate style and substance in grand fashion. First of all, I'd like to thank
Okay ka dyan?
Okada Manila,
Rinap ko na eh.
our official venue for tonight. Thank you to Michelle Ortega Reverado, the Vice President for Sales and Marketing, for your unwavering support. And of course, to Ms. Katago Okada, owner and Vice Chairman of Okada Manila. I would also like to thank our presenters. Bench, our official apparel partner. Bench Buddy, our official swimwear partner. Bench Aki. I would like to thank the presence of Mr. Benchan. Thank you, Mr. Ben, for your great support. One hand, our official FinTech Service Hub, the official Financial Tech Service Hub, and of course, Marinova, our official skincare partner. Thank you to Ms. Marites Gomez, and to one hand, to Mr. Coco Mauricio. We would like to also thank the following sponsors: Civic, our official vitamin drink; Philippine Airlines, our official carrier; Arin Tagaytay, our official tourist destination; Monarch Montage Skin Science and Medical Aesthetic International Philippines, our official aesthetic clinic; Blue Water Day Spa, our official wellness center; JAOC, our official dental clinic. Thank you to Dr. Steve Markland. And of course, Casino Plus. Our minor sponsors: McDonald's, Jojo Regalis, our official footwear; Hairfix, Men Beauty, Nutri-Expert, Regrow, Mestiza, Emwell, SIP Plus, C Plus, Nutri-Feast, Reyes, Tarandong and Company. I would also like to thank also Mr. Ato and Lily, Mr. Ricky Isla of AirAsia, Mr. William Chen of Real Steel and Unique Modeling Agency, and of course, Ms. Shraika, the CEO and Philippine Philanthropist. We would like to thank Mr. Ronnie Ong, Mr. John Valentine of Lancaster Technology and Development Corporation. I would also like to thank our donors, the Urban Luggage, the Salad Stuff, the Obanana, Victoria Sports, Amelia Blossoms, Grace Yourself Catering, Lavinia, Stellar, Sysprotect, Powerhouse Studios, ProShot Concept Studio, Olympus Creative Studio, and of course, Lumina events. By the way, I would like to mention the crown at stake for this year's Miss Grand Philippines pageant. This includes the following: Reina Hispano Americana Filipinas 2025, Face of Beauty Philippines 2025, and I'm also proud to announce that ALB Pageant Circle has been awarded the franchise for one of the most prestigious pageant in the country, Miss Asia Pacific International. Through these years, the pageant has gained renown as Asia's oldest beauty pageant, which aims to celebrate beauty and diversity, providing a platform for women to express their individuality and inspire positive change. And tonight, we are very fortunate to have with us the International Affairs and Ground Management Director of Miss Asia Pacific International. Let's give all a grand welcome to the very dashing Mr. Olin Magasi. With him is this year, I am also very pleased with the very promising turnout of the collaborations with our new regional affiliates and LGUs from major cities all over the country. Aside from ensuring the grassroots representations of aspiring Filipina queens, this partnership also helps in strengthening the Miss Grand Philippines organization's ongoing campaign for promoting our local tourism. By using our campaign as our platform, we can now do our share in promoting the various scenic spots and tourist destinations of our provincial affiliates in our various streaming, pay-per-view, and social media platform. With the recent victory of our very own CJ Obiasa as our very first Filipina to be crowned Miss Grand International, we have put the country back on the global map, opening doors and generating the much-needed goodwill to attract tourists as well as business investors. As you will know, Asia is fast becoming the pageant hub of the world, especially with the recent changes in the leadership of the most prestigious global competition. Aside from our tourism advocacy, we also stand side by side with the Miss Grand International in promoting their Stop the War and Violence campaign, because we are also earmarking part of our gala's proceeds for our Teach Peace, Build Peace advocacy, which remains relentless in its mission of making every Filipino child and youth a peace hero. In addition, also our beneficiaries are serving young scholars who are currently enrolled in our Miss Grand Philippines Scholarship Foundation. And because of this devastation brought about by the recent series of typhoons a few weeks ago, we are also channeling part of our charity funds to spearhead our own relief operations, which we hope will go a long way in supporting the recovery and rebuilding the lives of our poor typhoon victims. As we near the home stretch of our pageant preliminaries, we encourage our local pageant fans to look beyond the glitz and glam and take a more proactive role in pushing for awareness of our relevant and meaningful advocacy. In the meantime, we hope you enjoyed tonight's presentation, and I hope to see you, all of you, on our coronation night next Sunday, August 24, at the Mall of Asia Arena. Thank you very much, and mabuhay is Grand Philippines 2025.